Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level grammar lesson and it's part 2 of prepositions of place. We're going to be continuing to talk about how to use in, at, and on. Alright, so see if you can make some sentences using these words. So the shoes are in the box, the man is at the window, and the food is on the plate. Now try these. Paris is in France. The pictures are on the wall. The boy is on his bicycle. Alright, so we're just reviewing in, at, and on with a place. We use in with a continent, a country, a city or a town, in a room, in an area of a room, in other areas, and in a car or a van. We use at a building, at the number of a house, at a work area inside, at a thing a person does, and at the place where the person does it. And we use on for on a floor or level, on an outside area, on a thing you sit on a surface, on a large vehicle, and on an individual vehicle. So where is Anne? She is on the sofa. Where is the cat? He is on the chair. Where is the book? It is on the table. And where are they standing? They are standing on the balcony. Where is the bird? The bird is on a branch. Where does he live? He lives at 123 somewhere place in Worcestershireville. Where is he? He is at the ATM. And where is the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal is in India. Alright, now complete these sentences with in, at, or on. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. My grandparents live in Seattle, in the United States. My parents are on vacation in Australia. Tony is waiting for you at the restaurant. The vase of flowers is on the table. Mr. Jones is not here now. He is at lunch. The man is on a horse. Jeremy is in his car. The dog is asleep on my bed. The sheep are in the field. The dog is playing at the park. Now you're going to choose the correct preposition for each of these sentences. Again, you can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. Mr. John's office is on level 5 of this building. Please take the elevator. We are sitting on the sofa and watching TV. My cousins go to school in Switzerland. I am sitting at my desk in my bedroom. Pakistan is a country in Asia. Karachi is the largest city in Pakistan. Here's some other expressions where we use in. You can say in bed, in the sea, in the water, in the north, south, east, or west, in the sky, and in the world. We can use on in some special expressions also. You can say on the beach, on the bed, or on your head. And here are some other uses of at. I am at home, I am at work, I am at church, I am at school, I am at the beach. So often it's possible to use in or at for buildings, but sometimes there's a clear difference. So we are staying in the hotel, we're staying at the hotel. Both of those are correct. Really doesn't matter which one you use. They have the same meaning. I am at the bank, and then I am in the bank. So here it's slightly different meaning. So here we see he's at the bank, he's outside of the bank, but he hasn't gone in. But here he's actually inside talking to the teller, so that's why this one is in the bank, inside the bank. All right, now make some sentences to answer these questions. So where does he work? He works at the hospital. Where is the cat? The cat is on the bed. Where is the hat? The hat is on his head. And where are the children? The children are in the swimming pool. So where's John? John is in the water. Where are you staying? We are staying at the Palace Hotel. Where is the kite? The kite is in the sky. And where are they today? They are at the beach. All right, so now make your own sentences and using in, at, or on in some of these words. So you can try that on your own and then restart when you're ready to continue. And here are a few more, so for some additional practice. All right, now we're going to practice in, at, and on again. So come and meet us now. We are at the beach. John loves to swim in the pool. I am in a taxi now. I will be there in 5 minutes. Children, please sit in your chair properly. And Helen is at the door of Katie's house, and Kate is not at home. The train will arrive at the station in a few minutes. That is a beautiful picture on the wall. Can you see that plane in the sky? I am staying in bed all day today. I feel so sick. And Derek is riding on his skateboard. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any comments or questions, leave those for me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.